Here it is, guys. Here it is. It finally arrived. Beautylish Lucky Bag 2025. Look how pretty the little label is. Isn't it adorable? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And the packaging. I'm going to take everything out of this. Let's have a look. So this is the wrapping paper that they give. Isn't it absolutely adorable? Oh my goodness, so cute. We have a cat sleeping on the roof with a lady in the window. We have a little, I don't know, it's such a cute little bird, duck in a little box, in a little bag actually, with a little balloon flying over towards the little cat. Oh my goodness, it's just an adorable little story. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And look at this. The little bird showing showing the goodies that's in the bag. I'm just going to stand here so we can get a clearer picture. Oh my goodness, it's just adorable. I'm definitely going to be hanging that somewhere on a wall. I love it, so cute. Alright, put that over aside. Let's get into, well, firstly, welcome to today's video. We are unboxing the Beautylish Lucky Bag 2025. Let's get into it. I purchased the Beautylish Lucky Bag for $75 USD. The total cost me in total $104 USD. So that in Australian dollars is whatever it ends up being. But yeah, so the value of this bag is, well, we'll get to that in a minute. It says, "You're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside." Absolutely so adorable. Okay, now I don't have, I'm just going to open up the light a little bit here so we can have it a bit brighter. Okay, that might be a bit better. All right, I'm just going to get rid of all the unnecessary stuff that we don't need to see, and I'll just put that way over there. Okay, so the first thing that I've grabbed is the Viseart Professional Makeup Paris Mink Set Itendu 12 Ombres. It's an eyeshadow palette. I love Viseart. Love their eyeshadows so much. These are the shades. Let's go ahead and open them up. Very, very happy about this already. I am a big lover of Viseart eyeshadows, so I don't use them much, but I do have a few little mini palettes. I have the dark palette as well, if I can get it out. All right, here we go. That's the packaging right there. I'm just taking the cover off so we can have a better look at those tones. We have some corals, some browns, a purple, a goldy copper shade, some neutral nudes, a bit of peach. I'm definitely going to do a look with this. Okay, so that's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to put this little cover back on for now. Sits on top of the palette like that. And it does come with a mirror. All right. The next thing that I see here is pimple patches by Good Molecules. So these remind me of the Mecca Max pimple patches that are sold in the store. But this is the Good Molecules brand. The brand, this brand here is actually owned by, I believe it is actually owned by Beautylish. So let's see, you get 60 patches. That's quite a fair bit. 12 millimeters, less visible. And directions: cleanse and pat the skin dry, apply a patch over the blemished area and leave it on for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Carefully peel the patch off, cleanse and dry the area before applying other products, and you can use them in the AM or the PM. We have, this is always now included in the Beautylish Lucky Bag, but it's by Mob Beauty. Now I wonder, it's not the lipstick because it doesn't look like a lipstick. This here is the blush in the shade, I need my glasses, Fard de Joie, M27 is the shade. I'm going to cut this open. Well, actually, I don't need to because I can actually open it up from here. Okay, so it comes in a black matte compact. Actually, it's cardboard. And this is the shade. How beautiful is this color? It's like a peachy, corally blush. Can't see any shimmers in there. Looks perfectly matte. I think it might be a little bit deeper to one of the Laura Mercier blushes that I was really keen on getting. It was in my wish list actually, in the shade Ginger. And I don't know how sheer, because the Ginger one when I tried it on in store was a very sheer peach tone. Now this might be different, but we'll do a review on it. Oh, we have a lip chick by Chantecaille. Oh my goodness, I am so happy about this. Let's see what the tone is. Sari Rose is the shade. Comes in a beautiful chrome lipstick case. Sari Rose. That's gorgeous. I will do I'm going to do a full video using all the products in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, but that's a beautiful, beautiful color. It's like a, I don't know, a terracotta pink shade. We'll narrow it down to being like a rosy nude color. Now, these Beautylish Lucky Bags are a tradition for me. I get them every year, and I'll continue to keep getting them every year until they stop doing them, because it's something that I just really look forward to receiving. I did get this very late. Usually I would have received it sometime in late January, but I think with all the fires that have been happening in, you know, the California region, it has delayed a lot of the shipping. So, you know, that's basically probably the reason why it was held up, and I only received it in, you know, early February. But and that's understandable. I did reach out to Beautylish and they kindly refunded me my shipping fee back, which was 30 something Australian dollars. So that was really, really lovely of them to do that. So thank you, Beautylish, if you're watching this. I know you're not, but yeah, really appreciate it. Moving on, we have the Instant Aqua Boost Facial Mask for all skin types by Botanic Pretty 5. So this is just a mask, and never really seen anything like this before, but you get 5 pieces apparently, 5 pieces in that. It's vegan, cruelty free, paraben free. Cleanse and dry your face. Apply toning essence first for a better skincare result. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Dab the remaining serum into the skin. So it's an Aqua Boost facial mask. We'll have to give it a whirl. We're down to the final last product, and it's a Sonia G brush. You know how much I love Sonia G brushes. Oh my goodness. This here, let's take it out of the pouch. It's the Jumbo Blender. The Jumbo Blender. very excited to try this. I've never had any issues using Sonia G brushes. As a matter of fact, I don't really have issues using any brushes that I do own. Love Refa. I love, you know, Real Techniques. I love Sigma brushes. Oh my gosh. Upcoming video soon to be filmed. Spoiler alert, Sigma reached out to me and said, would I like to try some of their brushes? I received a box today. I haven't opened it up. I was expecting a box to be this big. The box is like, I can't even put it into the frame because it's like humongous, so I don't know what's in there. I'm going to obviously have a look and see what's in there and do a video on it. Thank you, Sigma. I love your brushes so much, and thank you for reaching out to me and saying, would I like to try and test them out? Of course, I would love to, and thank you. Every time a new brush set comes out, even Spectrum brushes, I really love them. You know, there's so many good brushes. Wayne Goss, beautiful brushes. The list goes on. The list goes on. But yeah, if you can get your hands on one of these, when you try it, you'll buy it. No, I'm kidding. But there's just something, I don't know, magical when using brushes that sort of do the work for you. It's great. Anyway, guys, so that is the end of the Beautylish Lucky Bag. Am I happy with the products that I received in the 2025 Lucky Bag? Yes, I am absolutely very happy. I think they put a little bit more quality products and a little bit less of what would normally go into the bag. Now I did pick up the light to medium bag, which they come in light to medium, and there's a medium to deep. So I think, yeah, the light and medium would have been the best box to be suited to my light to medium cool olive skin tone. So can't complain there. But let's just have a look at all the products. If I can put them all up together and show you. Oh, luckily that wasn't the eyeshadow palette. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Sonia G brush, the masks, the eyeshadow palette, the pimple patches, the lipstick, and the blush. I'm very excited. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.